This video is going to teach you how to use Blackboard Portfolios for the various MDS courses that you are going to take. So here I am signed into my Blackboard, and then under My Courses, you can scroll down and find MDS Student Resource Site. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then scroll on the left side of the screen and find MDS Portfolio. Here are some instructions which your instructors have put in for you to read. So go ahead and read them first, and then scroll down and click on Create Your MDS Portfolio. So you will reach this page, and we're going to start the process of creating your portfolio here. So click on the button called Create Portfolio, and then title your portfolio as your last and first name. So I'm just going to put in last and then my first name. And this is just an example, and you're going to put in your own last name and your own first name here. And then go ahead and click on Select Portfolio Template. And from here, there's a list of templates, but you're going to choose MDS Template. And then click on Submit. And then Submit once again. In this page, you will get a message asking you to take a tour of the portfolio system. So this is a short tour which teaches you how to use Blackboard Portfolios, and you may choose to take it. At this point, I will just say no thanks. Okay, so now I am here in my Blackboard portfolio for this class. And as you can see on the left-hand side, this is basically a template which will provide you with some instructions, and you have to fill in according to those instructions all the materials that you're creating for this class. So as you can see on the left-hand side, there is a space for MDS outcomes. We are in this page, and you have a set of instructions for your assignment, and then a place where you can upload the files that are needed for completing any particular instruction. So you have an assignment, all multicultural perspectives. See how the instructions are here, and then you can type in your content, or you can copy and paste content. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here, as you can see, this is the assignment on problem solving. So if you wanted to put in your input for this assignment, what you do is very simple. We're just going to edit this page, and here there is this pen icon, and this is where you click to start editing this page. So see how this just becomes an editable area, and you can write your assignment here. And this is just some example that I wrote in, and then you can just go ahead and save it. If you had any other files, you could add an artifact, and then you could bring in that artifact from wherever you have stored it. So here is how you can edit a page. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to go ahead and click on Done Editing. So that is going to save the material that you have just put in. And then I'm going to go to my page again, my portfolio again, and then I'm going to do a preview to see how it looks like. So as you can see, when I'm doing a preview, under problem solving, I have the word assignment here, and that was the content I put in. So as you can notice that the instructions which were previously visible on the problem solving assignment page is no longer visible, which is a good thing because you don't want your instructions to be visible in your portfolio. So here, as you can see, I have the content here. If you had more content, you would see that. So now I'm going to click on Close. So this was how you accessed your Blackboard portfolio. You created a portfolio for yourself, named it by your last and first name, and then you edited content or you added content under the various headings which your instructors have already provided for you in this class.